I'm going to show you how to remove an email address from your Hotmail block list and get the sender back into your inbox. Hotmail now runs through Outlook.com, so open your browser and go to Outlook.com, sign in with the Microsoft account that has the block. If Microsoft shows the account picker, click the account where the sender was blocked. Once you're in your inbox, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click that gear icon, the settings panel slides out from the right. At the top of that panel there is a search box. Click inside it, type junk email. A list of matching settings drops in, and the junk email settings page is the first result. Click it. On an older Hotmail layout, the gear is in the same top right corner, and the setting is under Mail and then Junk Email, but the search route gets you there in either layout. That opens the junk email settings page, and you'll see the title at the top. Scroll down to the section called Blocked Senders and Domains. This is the exact list that controls which addresses never reach your inbox. Find the address you want to unblock. If a whole domain was blocked, like example.com, removing that domain unblocks every address under it. The list can be long, and it scrolls in its own box, so read each row carefully, and do not click Add in this section by mistake, because that creates a new block. Move your mouse over the row, and a small trash can icon appears on the right side. Click that trash can, the row disappears from the list immediately, and the remaining items shift up. That removes the block, but it hasn't been saved yet. I've made the mistake of closing the panel here, and the block comes straight back, so click Save at the bottom of the page. Watch the spinner finish, and the row stays gone. Before you leave this page, look for the junk email filter section. I keep it on standard. If yours is set to exclusive, switch it to standard. Save again. Exclusive sends almost everything to junk except your contacts and safe senders, so it can undo the unblock you just did. Now go back down to safe senders and domains. This is the part people skip. Removing a block doesn't always stop the filter from treating the sender as suspicious. Click Add under Safe Senders. An input field opens right below that heading. Type the email address exactly as it appeared in the blocked list, for example, orders@example.com, then press Enter. The address appears in the safe list. Click Save again. Now Outlook treats that sender as trusted, not just neutral. If several people from that same company email you, add the whole domain while you're here. Click Add again. In the field, type example.com without the @sign, then press Enter. The domain appears in the safe list. Click Save. That allows every address from that domain straight into your inbox. Close the settings panel with the X in the top right. That takes you back to the inbox. In the left folder list, click Junk Email. If you don't see it, expand the More section under your folders first. The folder loads with any messages Outlook has caught. Look for a message from the sender you just unblocked. If you see one, right-click it and click Not Junk. The message moves out of junk and back into your inbox, and Outlook learns to treat that sender correctly. If this got your mail showing up again, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.